That's a scoop of ice cream. All right, man. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Are you ready to knock out your sweet tooth and get about 50 grams of protein? I got you covered. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that. I'm gonna show you 2 ways to do it. One is by using the Ninja CREAMi. If you know about the Ninja CREAMi, you already know that thing is like magic. How it takes protein shakes, it takes fruit, it takes just milk and turns it into ice cream. It is crazy. Let me know in the comments if you use the Ninja CREAMi, and if you do, throw me some recipes, man. I'm always trying to check out new recipes. But even if you don't have a Ninja CREAMi, it's all right. I'm gonna show you how to make a high protein ice cream that all you need is a blender. So stick around for that as well. So let's start off with the CREAMi way to do it, all right? This is the Ninja CREAMi. So if you don't know the Ninja CREAMi, what you do is you fill up these pints and you freeze them overnight. So you can't just fill up the pint and then make the CREAMi and make the ice cream right away. You have to let it freeze overnight. So I made this one last night. I prepared it last night because I had some protein ice cream last night and it was amazing. I said, you know what, I'm gonna make another one. I'm gonna make a video and I'm gonna show y'all. Now, one of my favorite flavors is cookie dough. So I'm gonna show you a quick and easy way to make a high protein cookie dough ice cream. All right, and it tastes amazing. You have to try this one. You don't have to do cookie dough if you don't want to. You can do vanilla, you can do chocolate, you can do cheesecake, you can do whatever you want, whichever one you want. This is cookie dough. I'm gonna show you how to do cookie dough, all right? So let me show you what's in here. Okay, first up, the cheat code. If you wanna make this as easy as possible, just go get you some of this right here, all right? This is the Premier Protein Cookie Dough flavor, all right? You can't beat it. It's so simple, 30 grams of protein. What you're gonna do is you're gonna use this bottle right here, pour this bottle into the pint. Next up, you're gonna use your favorite milk, whatever that is. It doesn't matter. If you wanna go fat-free, if you wanna go 2%, whole milk, it don't matter, whatever you wanna do. I use this right here. This is a Carb Master milk. I use 1 cup. What you're gonna do is you're gonna add all that into here. Oh, one more. What I also added was half a scoop of vanilla whey protein isolate, all right? You can use whatever flavor you want. I like to go with Cage. Whatever protein powder you like to use. I like to use vanilla because it goes perfect with this. If you have chocolate, that's fine. You can make a chocolate cookie dough. That's totally fine too. But I like to use Cage. I only use half a scoop of this, okay? I just use a fork and mix it around last night, put the top on, froze it overnight. This is what we have right here. We're gonna turn this into some ice cream. It is amazing how it does it. I don't know how it does it, but it works magic and it comes out great. Oh, also real quick, let me show you the chocolate chips that you can use, okay? Okay, now this is totally optional. The chocolate chips, I like adding them in. There's just different ones you can use, whatever your favorite kind are, it doesn't matter. These are the 0 sugar ones. Ghirardelli, man, these jokers are so good. Nestle has great ones also, but what I can recommend, if you use chocolate chips, you need to measure it out. Don't just go dump half the bag in there, right? It's gonna throw everything off. So you see how I got everything here? We got the protein shake, we got the milk, we got the frozen treat, we got the bowls ready, and here we go. The Ninja CREAMi, let's go ahead and put it in here. I'm gonna show you how to work this thing. Okay, so if you already have a Ninja CREAMi, you already know how to get down with this. If you don't, I'm gonna show you real quick. All you're gonna do, take the top off, you're gonna have your frozen. Now, what I recommend you do is just put like a splash of milk on top, so you don't put it in there completely frozen, just a little splash of milk on top. This goes in here, just like that. And then you're gonna put the top on. Now the top has the blades on there. Put that top on there. You're gonna twist it and it locks it in. This is when you can start making the CREAMi, okay? So let me show you what it looks like here. Okay, so now we're gonna select full, and then you can either do ice cream or light ice cream, whichever one you wanna do. I'm gonna just go with the ice cream just to make it easy. And then I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera off because this joker does get loud, but it's totally worth it. This thing is amazing. So you press the button and you let it go to work, all right? Just work that magic in there. Come on now. All right, so just finished up. Let's pull it out. This is what it's gonna start to look like right here. So what you're gonna do, make a little hole in the middle. This is where you're gonna put your chocolate chips. Totally optional, but I highly recommend, it's called a mix-in. So I highly recommend you do it. If you're trying to get the chocolate chip cookie dough flavor, you gotta add some chocolate chips. So the ones I'm going with are these right here, the sugar-free ones. I measured out 1 serving, which is 2 tablespoons. So this is 2 tablespoons right here. I'm telling you, you gotta measure it out. Don't just dump that bag on there. Plop them in the middle. There it is. Put it back in here, lock it down. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna do the mix-in, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press the mix-in right here. It's just gonna turn on by itself. It's gonna mix everything in there. So then all the chocolate chips are gonna be mixed into your ice cream, and then we're good to go. Come on now. All right, let's check on it. Ooh, buddy, come on now. Look at that. Look at that right there, come on. And it's a high protein ice cream. I showed you the ingredients. Now we're gonna put this in a bowl. Man, I'm excited about this one. what I'm talking about, the ice cream that comes out of here. Look at that. Look, that's a scoop of ice cream. All right, man. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Even got a little chocolate chip on there. Come on. You'll be eating this every day. It's so good. Sweet tooth gone, 50 grams of protein right here. Man, let's put it in the bowl. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. Look at that. Look at all this ice cream. Look at how much that is. So much ice cream, guys. Look at that. Look at the size of this bowl. Come on now. This is a gigantic bowl of ice cream made from those few ingredients, okay? It is so simple. I'm trying to tell you, this is amazing. This one here is 54 grams of protein, all right? About 335 calories, 54 grams of protein right here. All right, this will hold you down. This will knock out your sweet tooth. If you can get a Ninja CREAMi, put one in your kitchen. They are amazing. I use my Ninja CREAMi all the time. Let me know in the comments, Ninja CREAMi recipes. I would definitely try those out, but this is definitely one of my favorites right here. Man, chocolate chip cookie dough, man, you can't beat it, I'm trying to tell you. But if you don't have a Ninja CREAMi, let me show you how to do it without one, okay? Okay, now if you don't have a Ninja CREAMi, it's okay. If you have a blender, that should work too, okay? So what I have here is, of course, my blender. All you're gonna do, this is gonna be a high protein one as well. You're gonna do 1 cup of cottage cheese, 3/4 cup of your milk, okay? To make it more of a like a creamier flavor, use like a 0 sugar pudding, just 1 tablespoon. If you wanna do vanilla or chocolate, whichever route you wanna go, it doesn't matter, but get you one of these. Now this isn't, you don't have to, but it really helps to give it that creamy flavor, okay? I'll put the whole recipe in the description for you, okay? So don't worry about it. And to make it a little bit sweeter, I love to use honey. You don't have to, that's optional, but you put about a tablespoon of honey in there, it's gonna make it sweet, all right? If you like honey, or you can use like monk fruit if you want to, just something to make it sweet. And then you can add the chocolate chips in there too, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna blend everything up in here, okay? The cottage cheese, put the milk, oh, I almost forgot. Half a scoop of whey as well, the same thing, all right? Blend it all up. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna freeze it for about 30 to 45 minutes, okay? Now you don't wanna do it too long because then it'll like harden up and it'll turn into a rock. So make sure you don't keep it in the freezer too long. What you can do after about 30 minutes, get it out, start stirring it up a little bit, ice cream texture, put it back in the freezer, maybe another 15 minutes, get it back out. You should be good to go right there. But don't leave it in for too long. Don't leave that one in overnight because it will be a brick by the time you get it. You're gonna have to chip that joker out of there. It's not gonna be that good. But what you're gonna do is just add all these into the blender, blend it up, and then put it in a freezer safe dish that will fit all the ingredients in it. You have you a high protein ice cream right there, okay? So if you don't have a Ninja CREAMi, it's okay. You can still just use the blender, right? That'll work perfectly too. So there you have it. There's 2 ways you can make a protein ice cream. One with the CREAMi, one with just a blender in the freezer. It's all good. So both of these are gonna get you around 50 grams of protein, okay? So you just can't beat it. A little over 300 calories, 50 grams of protein. Come on now, you can't beat that. I'm about to tear this up because it's starting to melt right now. I'm about to eat this. But let me know in the comments what you like to use with your Ninja CREAMi, or if you blend your own, what do you like to use as well? Once again, this is the chocolate chip cookie dough flavor, one of my favorite flavors out there. But there's so many different kind of options you can do. Let me know in the comments the ones that you use, and I'm gonna eat this right now. I'm gonna talk to y'all next time. Let's go.